Hey there. So, let's dive into this interesting problem we have at hand. Imagine you have a data frame called df in R, with a few rows and columns filled with numerical values. The problem here is that you need to perform specific calculations on the values in certain columns based on predefined conditions. In this case, your goal is to check the values in columns A, B, and D, and add a different value to each based on the initial value. Sound challenging, right? But fret not. We have a solution for you. Now, let's focus on a solution provided for this problem. The first step is to create the data frame, DD, using the read.table function, setting the header to true and entering the data as given. This will set up the initial data structure we will be working with. Next, we bring the power of the dplyr library. By using the mutate function along with across and case underscore when, we are able to target columns A, B, and D specifically. Within the case underscore when function, we define the conditions for adding different values based on the original values in these columns. This elegant solution efficiently handles the specific logic required for each cell. Continuing with the explanation of the solution, the mutate function applies the defined logic to each specified column in the data frame DD. By using across, we can target multiple columns at once, streamlining the process and making the code more readable and efficient. The naming convention for the new columns is set using .names, ensuring clarity in the output. The case underscore when function then evaluates each cell value according to the defined conditions and performs the necessary calculations to generate the desired results. It's a neat and concise way to achieve the desired outcome without unnecessary complexity. In summary, we've tackled a challenging problem by leveraging the capabilities of the dplyr library. The step-by-step approach outlined here allows for a clear and structured implementation of the required logic, resulting in the calculation of new values based on predefined conditions. With this solution, you can efficiently process and manipulate the data in your data frame to meet your specific requirements. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Who knows, your comment might just trigger an additional bonus video on our programming tricks.